An incident that is mentioned by the biographer of Sultan Salahuddin al-Ayyubi rahimahullah is that at one point he became ill. When he became ill, he made an oath with Allah, a covenant with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that he will not focus on anything else and not dispute with fellow Muslims, meaning political disputes, except to focus on the Masjid al-Aqsa. Within a few years, he was given victory and was able to conquer al-Masjid, the city of Jerusalem. If Erdogan and Imran Khan and other leaders, they followed this guideline, that they made their ultimate goal al-Masjid al-Aqsa, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would keep them in power. They wouldn't lose their seat of power. But what happens, everyone starts playing politics, thinking that if they play politics, they will stay in power, but they need to realize the one who keeps them in power is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When they focus on their servitude, which is the emancipation of al-Masjid al-Aqsa al-Sharif, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will support them. So these leaders would not face opposition. And even if they did, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give them victory. So all the leaders today, those who want to remain in power, they should focus on al-Masjid al-Aqsa al-Sharif and the emancipation of al-Masjid al-Aqsa al-Sharif. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make them powerful, inshallah.